As your business exploits data for competitive advantage, you will likely encounter 3 data-related challenges. First, as your developers go faster, inefficient access to useful, compliant test data impedes their work. Release frequency, software quality, and developer experience begin to suffer. Second, as you strive to democratize analytics and AI, a growing number of analysts and algorithms demand more high-quality data. Sharing sensitive data creates compliance and privacy risks. Third, as more applications depend on data, ransomware, data corruption, and system failures impair customer service and worker productivity. Each minute of downtime can be very costly. Delphix solves these problems with a unified solution called the Delphix DevOps Data Platform. The platform syncs with your live environments to deliver compliant data in just minutes and with much less storage than traditional approaches to your developers, analytics platforms, recovery systems, and more. Let's take a look at how Delphix works. First, Delphix's patented technology synchronizes and compresses data from nearly any production data source, on-prem or in the cloud. Delphix records the changes made in production, so this compressed copy is always up to date, giving you an immutable time machine of your data. Delphix discovers and masks sensitive fields, bringing your data into compliance with important standards and regulations. Delphix then creates and shares lightweight virtualized databases for your people in just minutes, consuming almost no additional storage. Your people can use their preferred tools to automate these compliant data pipelines via pre-built integrations and APIs. At the same time, Delphix creates a cataloged data library so your people can find what they need. They can then provision, bookmark, refresh, and tear down virtualized databases through self-service actions. Delphix uses attribute-based access controls to govern access across the entire data library. Finally, the immutable time machine of data provides a reliable mechanism for quickly recovering production databases. Delphix restores data to the moment before a failure or any other point in its history. As you can see, the Delphix DevOps Data Platform helps you protect sensitive data while accelerating high-quality software releases, improving developer experience, democratizing analytics, recovering from data-related outages, and reducing storage consumption.